Hey, what's up guys? So after the OneUi 8 update, now all the hype has diverted towards the OneUi 8.5. So today in this video, we'll talk about the eligible device list which will be getting the OneUi 8.5 update. So in the Galaxy S series, it includes the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, the S25 Ultra, S25 FE, and the S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra, and the S24 FE. In S23, it includes S23 Plus, S23 Ultra, S23 FE, then from S22 to S22 Ultra and S21 FE. In short, all the flagship devices above 22 model are included in the device list of the OneUi 8.5 update. There are some other devices for the A series, Z series and the M series also included in the OneUi 8.5 update. If you talk about that, what new you can expect, so you'll get to see a brand new control panel design and some new UI design with the OneUi 8.5 update. This volume and the brightness control will come on the left side. And not only that, you will also get to see some improvements in the app icons. The app icons will get a redesign. They will get a 3D-like look with the OneUi 8.5 update. I really hope that they include the OneUi 8.5 dark icons this time around. If we talk about the release date, so the OneUi 8.5 update is expected to be released with the Samsung's Galaxy S26 series. First of all, it will be released for the S26 series, then it will be released for the later models. But the sad part is that you might have to wait for a month for the older models like the Galaxy S22 series. As first of all, it will be released for the latest models. Also, this time around you might get to see a OneUi 8.5 beta update as well, and that will be available most probably in the month of December. And that's it for today's video. This was some latest news regarding the OneUi 8.5 update for the Galaxy S series. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.